Hey there, beauty enthusiasts and trendsetters. Welcome to the future of hair care, where innovation meets style and convenience. In this 2023 review, we're about to introduce you to the ultimate game changer in hair drying technology, introducing the llano lightweight folding Ionic hair dryer. It's not just a hair dryer, it's a revolution in hairstyling. At its core, this hair dryer is powered by a high-speed, brushless motor that boasts a staggering 110,000 RPM. What does this mean for you? Well, get ready to say goodbye to those long, tedious hair drying sessions. With llano, your hair will be ready in minutes. But wait, there's more. The llano hair dryer features advanced Neutralizing Ion Technology. It releases a whopping 200 million positive and negative ions. What's the magic behind these ions, you ask? They work together to eliminate a whopping 95 of static from your hair. And that's not all. This smart hair dryer is equipped with a heat sensor that monitors temperature 1,000 times per second to protect your precious locks from excessive heat damage. Customization is key, and the llano dryer offers you just that. With 12-speed and heat modes, you can switch things up to suit your mood and hair type. Worry about the noise? Fear not! Our hair dryer utilizes 58 dB low noise technology, making it ideal for everyone in the family, even babies and pregnant women. And let's talk design. Llano has thought of everything. The curved handle prevents accidental drops. The unique air inlet ensures your hand stays hair-free, and the buttons are strategically placed to avoid any unintended touches. Need to take your hair game on the road? The llano hair dryer is ultra lightweight and foldable, weighing in at just 362 g. It's the perfect companion for both home and travel. But wait, there's more in the box. Along with the hair dryer, you'll receive 2 nozzles, an instruction manual, a handy storage bag, and even a dusting brush. So what are you waiting for? Elevate your hairstyling game with llano. Don't settle for anything less than excellence. Click the link below to make the llano lightweight folding Ionic hair dryer yours today. It's not just a hair dryer, it's your daily dose of confidence and style. Make the llano hair dryer your trusted hairstyling partner. Upgrade your hair game. Beauty begins here.